In the fourth and final part of my trip to Florida series, I went to a place called WildFlorida, and to start, I went on an airboat ride.
You can stand up here. You just have to bring everything you take in back out with you. Now this boat here will not run dry ground. I need about 6 inches of water to start and stop, but only about 1 inch of water to keep it moving. My personal boat at home is 14 foot long, outfitted Yosemite chain of lakes and rivers, into the Everglades. If you go right, you hit the Gulf. If you go left, you hit the Atlantic. Now, these are natural flowing canals.
And that was all the footage I had of the boat ride, and then I walked through the park. We had 45 minutes until it closed, so I kind of speed ran through everything I could. And here's the little bird enclosure. Hey there, buddy. There we go. Are you both on?
I'd get bit if I could do that.
Baby gators. Here's another video of the massive pit of American alligators. And a couple raccoons taking a nap together. Along with reptiles, like medium-sized mammals have to be my favorite. Dogs, raccoons, otters, things like that. Fluffy things that you can interact with. Another one right here is a coat mundi. I don't know exactly what they're supposed to be. Definitely a unique animal, but also kind of adorable. And some capybara, which you can actually own here in Arizona, so at some point I want to figure out how to get those. And a black mamba. Right next to it is a king cobra.
King Cobra. Oh, this one's...
Here's a gaboon viper, I want to say. Or bushmaster, in the same enclosure as a non-venomous snake, which was something I saw a few times here, which was unique. A cobra, I want to say Egyptian cobra, but this dude's just kind of hanging out. And a Gila monster, who are native to Arizona. Pair of green mambas. And some lemurs. This dude's just hanging around.
Okay, now we just need to find the ringtail.
Squirrel monkey. I can only see his butt though.
And over his paw.
Where? And here's an eastern diamondback rattlesnake. This thing was really active. It really didn't sit still the entire time we watched it. And it even like came up to the glass a little bit to just stare at my brother. And this one also lived with a corn snake and a rat snake. I don't know if that was food that never got eaten or if they're just meant to live in there together. But they were on the signs. I don't know what the cause of that was. And again, a rattlesnake and a colubrid literally sitting on top of each other.
He probably just wants to know what you are. I've never seen one of those things before.
Pygmy rattlesnake. Again, if you've seen past episodes, one of my favorites. They're awesome. And this dude just wants a hug, I guess. Here's a pair of sloths. I wonder how like sociable they are. And the famous ringtail lemur, King Julian from Penguins of Madagascar. This is a prehensile-tailed porcupine, which are capable of climbing trees. Let me know in the comments if you knew that before watching this video. Red-roofed lemurs. That's a weird looking dog.
Weird. Yeah, that is one weird cat. It's a reindeer!
What?
It's a reindeer. You can't tell me that doesn't look
Wait,
like a
look, they have all the climbing though. Adorable fennec foxes. I just set my phone against the fence and let it record for a little bit. These things are adorable. This toucan with a beautiful bill. I guess all of them look about the same, but it's so colorful.
That's also
Normal African porcupine. Doesn't climb trees. Sailfin dragon. Very unique lizard. Whatever this monitor lizard was, and my dad in the reflection right there. And that is going to do it for the Florida series. If you haven't watched all 4 episodes, I highly recommend doing so. I have a playlist, and I had a lot of fun being there and creating these videos. Subscribe for more. Lots of fun videos to come.